Recycling via your curbside bin is an important way to keep materials out of landfill and make the most of reusable resources such as glass, paper, steel and plastic. There are many items that can be recycled in your curbside bin, including glass bottles and jars, steel cans, aerosol cans, aluminium cans and foil, paper, cardboard, plastic milk bottles and plastic PET bottles, plus other plastic containers such as margarine tubs. Please remove the lids where possible. If you can't see it here or are unsure if it belongs in your recycling bin, it's better to leave it out. Check the Rethink Waste Tasmania website or ask your local council to find the right way to dispose or recycle it via other services. Contamination is anything that can't be recycled via your curbside bin. This might be items made from non-recyclable materials such as clothing, or items that are made from recyclable materials but can't be safely and accurately separated at the materials recovery facilities, or MRF. We'll hear some more about these later. Contamination in your curbside recycling bin ends up in landfill or increases the chance of recycling reprocessors rejecting all of the good recycling that are mixed up with the bad items. Some items also risk harming the people who manually sort recycling. With the big variety of recyclable materials out there, we know it can be complicated. The Cradle Coast Waste Management Group checks a sample of curbside recycling bins each year to help residents understand the finer details of recycling. The group also shares advice and helpful information about recycling on rethinkwaste.com.au. So let's look at some of these finer details now. You'll see what happens to the contents of your curbside recycling bin when it arrives at a MRF. Things move quickly in there, so it's really appreciated when you sort your waste and only put items suitable for curbside recycling in your bin. Soft plastics can't be recycled in your curbside recycling bin. Soft plastic is anything that can be scrunched into a ball, such as plastic bags, chip packets and bubble wrap. The machines at the MRF can't tell the difference between soft plastic and paper, so soft plastic ends up contaminating good bales of paper recycling. Soft plastic can also get stuck in the machines and adds work for the staff who have to try and manually remove it from the conveyor line. Please keep soft plastics out of your curbside recycling bin. Instead, recycle soft plastics in the collection boxes found in most major supermarkets. Recycling packed inside plastic bags or boxes can't be recycled in your curbside recycling bin, even if all the contents are made of the same material. The people who hand sort recycling at the MRF can't see what's inside the bags and boxes. It might be general rubbish or sharps and other dangerous items. To avoid injury and reduce the contamination of good recycling, items packed in bags or boxes have to be removed and sent to landfill. Please don't pack recycling inside bags or boxes in your curbside recycling bin. Instead, throw loose items directly into your bin. The people and machines at the MRF will take care of bundling for you. Some items made from recyclable material can't be recycled in your curbside recycling bin. This includes wire, plastic or metal drums and pipes, garden hose, rope and electronic goods. Other things such as green waste and garbage must not be placed in your recycling bin. Other items such as clothing, toys and bikes might be able to be reused, but the curbside recycling bin is not the right place to give them a second life. The machines at the MRF can't process materials other than the ones we showed at the beginning of this video. Anything else is removed from the conveyor line and ends up in landfill. These items can also become stuck in the machines or pose a risk to staff. Please only put items that are compatible with curbside recycling in your curbside recycling bin. Other items may be recyclable at your local waste transfer station via special collection services or could be useful to a charity or tip shop. So remember, only place these items in your curbside recycling bin. And check rethinkwaste.com.au for more information or talk to your local council. Thank you for being a good sort with your curbside recycling.